You get an iPad, you download something, and well, where's the download folder? Well, that is what I'm going to show you. To find your download folder, you can just go to files. To look up files, you can just type in your Spotlight search and look for files. If not, you can just go. Generally speaking, on an iPad, you just open up files and it would show up on the side pane. But in this case, it's not showing up. And that could be the case with your iPad as well. So you just have to click on favorites and you can find downloads over here. And whatever you have downloaded should show up in downloads. If not, you can just search it up on your iCloud. So chances are your default setting is just saving stuff to iCloud, and that could be it. But how do you actually get your downloaded files to not go into iCloud and go to the downloads folder? So for that, you have to go to settings. In settings, by default, you come up in general. In general, you want to scroll down, go to apps, and then, for example, in my case, I'm going to show you Safari, and this could be the case for multiple applications as well. So I go to Safari, and in Safari, if I scroll down, here you can see we have downloads. And if I click on downloads, you can see that the default download location is the iCloud. So whatever I download is going to go to my iCloud, and in that I can find the downloads. And that could be the case in files as well. So if I go to iCloud, I can see downloads. So that is where it is, right? So, but you can just select on my iPad, it will go to the downloads folder on your iPad. If you want something else, I can go to other, create a new folder, which is going to be download. So again, you can see there are two downloads. Why? One is from iCloud and the other is the downloads folder on your iPad itself. If not, you can just create a new folder, let's say test, click done, and in test, if I open it, that is going to be my default folder for downloads, right? If I open it, so here you can see on my iPad test, and that could be the very reason why you are not able to see your downloaded files on the iPad. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.